Hey community. So today we will discuss about how to create IAM roles. So just you have to log in your web console, AWS console on web, and just go to the IAM service either from the search bar or from here. I have recently visited. Just get inside. Yeah. So from the left side, you just have to go to roles. Remember we had created users. Now we have to create roles. Roles depends on the organizations how they want to create particular roles and keep the policies. Okay, so from here just click on create role and suppose which type of entity you have to use it. So like basically we generally we used to provide the service. If you need anything up on the level of account or something that you can choose as per your need. I'm just choosing AWS service. Okay. Yeah, so inside the use case what we have to provide. So suppose like common users EC2 and Lambda, but let's see, we just have to provide the S3 for now. So just select the S3 from here, and just from here what in S3 allow S3 to call AWS services on your behalf and allows S3 batch operation to call AWS services on your behalf. I'm just choosing this for now. Okay, and just click next. In the next process you have to define the policies. So suppose I chose S3, right? So okay, I'll just choose some S3 policies. S3 full access. Okay, I'll just try to provide this policy. Next. Okay, here you can review what all things you have given. So this is policies and this is your description. You can change as per your need. You can provide the name. I'm just providing S3 full access role. Okay. Okay, so this policy is added. If you want to create some tag, you can create. I'll just create one for the verification purpose, like role. I'll just take S3 full. Okay, I'll just create the role. Yeah, that something must have been mistaken. I may not have to provide that. Okay, yeah, it is created actually. It was loading. So this is our created S3 full access role, right? This one we have created. Just click on it. Get inside all the information regarding our role, when it has been created and what is the resource number and all. Okay, and if you want, there are things like in permission, you have this permission. If you want to add anything, you can get inside and add. So suppose get inside attach policies, and now you have to provide the EC2 as well. So just search EC2 full access. Okay, and just attach it again. Okay, so now this role will have two policies, Amazon S3 full access and Amazon EC2 full access. Okay, so that is the role description and what all things you have. You can generate your policies here if you need. Okay, some boundary setups and all if you want to do. I'm not doing anything as of now. This is just basic to create the role. Trust relationships, here you can see some things. Okay, tags, we had created one tag, right? Access advisor and revoke session. So allowed services, inside that what all services are allowed and all these things if you want. So these all things comes under this, right? These are the permission of EC2 and S3. So these two are S3 and these all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of EC2. Okay, and revoke session. So maximum session duration is 1 hour. And if you want to revoke the active session, you just click on the revoke active session and it will get revoked. Okay. So that's how you can create the roles. Okay. Now at last you can delete it. Suppose like your work is over and you don't want actually that role to be more active on your platform. So just delete it simply. Okay. So now it is deleting and it will get deleted. So that's how you can create the roles and use it and assign the policies for that role and delete it if you want it, and revoke the sessions as well. Like if that role having some active sessions or someone is using and you have any doubt, you can revoke it. So that's how you can use the roles. Create it and use it as per your organization standard. So yeah, thank you so much.